Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, May something. What's today's date?
I don't know.
27? And we are getting ready for Bike Pittsburgh. We are parked here on the south side. Not sure what to expect. Other than a good time, I guess. All right. We will check in shortly, unless Lily chops off one of her fingers playing with the bike tire. We shall see. We're also waiting for the Walker family. We're going to be spending our day with them. Toodaloo. We got the belly dancers. Hey, I was getting you in there on purpose. Say hi, Jude. Hi, Jackie.
Hello.
We're here at Market Square. There's Lily, Ashlyn. Hi.
I got soap.
There's Danielle. There's the Bike Pittsburgh sign that Sean just erected. And there's Sean.
Come on. You can make it.
Lots of bikers here today. So far, so good. And the weather is holding out. Going through a tunnel. It's pretty sweet. Getting busy. Getting busy. Say hello, guys.
Chicken wheel.
We are on the south side.
It's cool.
Oh my goodness.
I did not think you were stopping.
Oh, that's hard!
Mom, I saw a Frenchie. Yeah.
Put all your weight up on that pedal. But I don't contemplating what I wrote, cause I've been feeling for these days. What you say? I've been writing these poems so I can live in my way. I just want them burning up, better earn the truck and turn to dust. Cause I'm a Hachi, using Tamagotchi. You can't stop me, all these rappers got me.